We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So, in British English, this is normally pronounced with a true T as mountain, mountain. You do want to stress on the first syllable. Now, in American English, some people might pronounce it as mountain as well, but many, in American English in particular, do pronounce it with a stop T as mountain, mountain. So not a true T. You don't really release the air from your tongue on your palate. You do not say mountain, but rather mountain, mountain. Pretty straightforward. Once you know mountain or mountain. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.